Welcome back. It's art time class. Today, I have my helper, my pet cockatiel buddy, and we're going to be explaining the expectations for art this year. On Monday at 7 a.m., one activity will be posted in Google Classroom for you to complete by Friday at 3:05. If you submit your work late, it will not be accepted past 11:59 p.m. Friday evening. Each activity will have a form. The first and last section of the form will always be the same. The first section is your information. The last section is a writing prompt for you to complete. The middle section may vary, but will always include at least one question for you to answer. And always, guys, I want you to be safe, responsible, and respectful. To be safe, you will always use materials as intended. To be responsible, you will always clean up your area when you are done with your activity. And to be respectful, you're always going to ask before taking anything if you need extra materials. Till next time, class, keep being creative.